Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another video, you guys. Are you truly doing good? That's what's up. So today, you guys, we have a delicious recipe on how to make some sweet cornbread, you guys. Some southern sweet cornbread from scratch, where you really don't need jiffy cornbread. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go and create, well, I'm going to show you guys how to make some simple cornbread. So what you need is some self-rising flour, you guys, cornmeal mix, right? And you're going to put approximately 2 cups of meal into your bowl, approximately 2 cups. Now I don't need a lot because this family only holding 3, okay? And for our second ingredient is we're gonna use approximately, I would say 3 teaspoons of sugar, right? You know what, guys? I gotta get my milk out. And we're gonna put us an egg in here. Just 1 egg. You don't need 2. Just 1 egg. And crack it, but you know, hey, you guys, you don't crack it the way I crack it. Make sure that you keep a bowl on the side. We have us some fresh whole milk right here. Ugh. And I'm just gonna pour approximately a cup of milk. Okay, a cup of milk. And we're gonna give that a mix. Oops, I'm glad that didn't get on my camera. And this is gonna make some sweet, buttery, homemade cornbread. Approximately a cup and a half of milk. Like I tell you guys, I've been cooking so long till I actually know the measurements. But I just don't know. Y'all just follow me on this. You don't want it too thin. You don't want it too thick. But you want it just right, okay? And that is it, pretty much. Just that simple. Now at this point, believe it or not, you guys, you can use cheese in here if you want to make you some cheese cornbread. Believe me, I have tried. I have put garlic and I have tested the waters with a lot of things. Crushed peppers, jalapeno peppers. And this is what you're looking for. Now we have 1 stick of margarine that I have melted in this loaf pan. And what I am going to do is pour me some right in there. Because I want that butter flavor. Okay? And we just going to go here. We're not going to rough it on the mixing. But we're going to swerve it in there, you know. Swerve it in there. And that's it. Pour it over in your pan. I'm using a loaf pan today because I love the crispiness from some good old buttered sweet bread. Some good old buttered sweet bread. We just gonna do it just like that. Get some of that butter and spread it on top, you guys. So it can look like that, okay? And we're gonna slide this in the oven and we're gonna let this cornbread do its thing. Okay guys, so there you have it, our loaf of sweet, buttery cornbread. You guys, usually I put it in a pan, but I decided to put it in a loaf because I wanted that crispiness. But give me a minute, let me flip it out and show you what it looks like on the inside. I have my little knife. And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to cut this. Let's hold it. Oh my goodness. I love the crust, you guys. Oh, it's still hot, you guys. Look at there. Oh my goodness, guys, take a look. So yes, that is our sweet bread, you guys. Homemade cornbread. Oh, that's hot. But anywho, you taste the sugar. You can top it with a little more sugar on top, but I'm okay with the sweetness that I received from it. But you guys, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, if you know anyone that needs a recipe for some quick, delicious buttered cornbread, tell them to check out the video, you guys. There you have it. Check out the sweetness. The cornbread mixture is the same cornbread. You just will double up if you want to make you a delicious pan of dressing. This the type of cornbread you'll walk the floor and eat it with some Kool-Aid. But sending much love from my house to yours. Bye bye.